Hello students. Welcome to E4U, your trusted channel for learning English and exams preparation. Social media. Social media is a popular way of connecting with people through internet. IT allows users to share messages, photos, videos, and ideas with friends, families in the world. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and YouTube are some popular social media platforms. There are widely used by people of all ages. These platforms help us to stay updated with news. We can learn new things and express our own opinion. These are also very useful to the students, teachers, and businessmen. We can quickly share information by using social media. However, social media is not free from evil. Using too much social media can be harmful. Sometimes it is a waste of time, and it affects studies or work. Though social media helps us to make new friends, they also make users isolated. The social media users live in the virtual world. Social media has become an instrument of spreading false information, hatred, and propagandas. But still, we cannot dispense with it. We should use social media carefully and judiciously. If it is used properly, social media can be a powerful tool for learning, communication, and creativity.
Subscribe my channel and make notification on.